Hari Om. Begin each day listening to the most auspicious sound in the universe. Yoga of Vision of the Divine Cosmic Form. Chapter 11, Shloka 54. But by single minded devotion can I of this form be known and seen in reality and also entered into. O Pranatapa, O scorcher of your foes.
Chapter 11, Shloka 54. Bhaktya tvananyaya shakya aham evam vidorjuna jnatum drashtum cha tatvena praveshtum cha parantapa.
Chapter 11, Shloka 54. Here in the following stanza, we get the scientific explanation of what compels the Lord to shower His special favors upon someone sometimes and not upon all at all times. Identification with the self is called bhakti and is the measure of love. Devotee, forgetting himself and in his love, identifying to become one with his beloved Lord, is the culmination of divine love. To renounce all lower identifications with meta vestures and to discover his true nature to be the self is true identification. Only those who are thus capable of identifying themselves with the one unifying truth that holds together in its web of love the plurality can experience me in this fashion, my cosmic form. Lord divides the total process in which realization comes in three stages as to know, to see, and to enter. To know means to have a clear understanding of the goal and the path. To see means to personally analyze through own reflections the information gained. To enter means after having known and seen the goal through a process of detachment from the false and attachment to the real, come to experience the truth as no object other than himself. The dreamer, suffering from the sorrows of the dream, ends it all when he no more sees but enters the waking state himself to become the waker. Learn more in the next shloka in the next video. To understand Gita, join Chinmaya Mission study group in your area. There are over 300 Chinmaya Mission centers in the world. Kindle Life is the first text prescribed in the scheme of study by Swami Chinmayananda himself. Watch Ranjod Kalra's videos on Kindle Life online. See this video clipping again and again till you can answer the following questions.